Hi everybody, in this lesson I will talk about this expression in Kotlin. For basically this means that it points to the current class or so current object, but in this lesson I will show you about some of the class. We have a class A, and inside this we have class B. Class B is the inner class of class A. Inside the class A we also have an extension for another class. We have class C, and in class B I implement an extension function for the class C. For example, extension function 1 is adding more function to the class C, and this is will be used inside this class B only because it is defining and extending inside the class B. So we have this variable, then this at A. This at A means that the object point to the class A. Okay. Then we can also print out to the screen about this. This at A is a variable. So we also have a method of class B because we have to use this to access to the extending function 1, and we initialize the C object, and I can call this extending function. You can only call this inside the class B only, and you have to define the method of class B to access through this. Firstly I define the object A, and I call the function method B of method of class B inside the object A. Yes, methods of class B, but remember to initialize the B object. Then running. So we have this at A is the package hello, the A inside the package hello, inside module hello. Okay. And the final is address, the memory address as I said, the memory address in the memory. So what about this at B? You can add this at B, means that it points to the object in class B. So the object in class B here. So after running this, we see that $B means that B is the inner of A, and the A is the inner of hello package, yes, or hello module. So and the final is a memory address. So what about this at extension function? What about this? It means that it points to the object inside the extending function 1. So what is this? It is from class C because this function is extending from the class C. So it is a type of class C. The object here is a type of class C. So because it is inside the C class. And what about this? This will point to the nearest position, and in this case this is inside the C. Or the C object. Okay, so object class C in hello package or here, or this at here, or this point to the nearest pointer in this class or class C. So inside this we also have a function. This function is an anonymous function with no name, and we this at no name point to this, and I print out that what is this at no name? This at no name will point to the C class. Okay, what is this? Because okay, it is inside the C class is the object of the C class, and the same as the previous object, and because the no name function has no effect to the this, it has no effect to the this here. Okay, so the this here and this here is the same. So we also remember that we have another type of, we have a lambda function, and lambda is also a function, is also like a no name function, and this is only point to the current class or C class or C object. Yes, and you print out, you call the function to see, and you see that the this at lambda and this at no name, this up here, okay, all is the same in this hello module or hello package. Yes, it is in the hello package now. Okay, thank you very much for watching this lesson. This lesson show you about